Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about what networking services are available in Google Cloud, such as virtual private cloud (VPC) and cloud load balancing. So, Google Cloud offers a wide range of network services to help users manage optimize their cloud infrastructure. Some of the key network services available in Google Cloud include number one, virtual private cloud. What is it? VPC is a private network hosted on Google Cloud. It allows you to create isolated network environments where you can run your resources, such as virtual machine and containers with control IP addressing, firewall rules, and routing. Use cases VPC is are used for creating secure and segmented network architecture with Google Cloud enabling multi-tier application and ensuring network isolation. Number two, cloud load balancing. What is it? Cloud load balancing is a fully distributed global load balancer service that distributed incoming traffic across multiple interface across multiple region to ensure high availability and fault tolerance. Number use cases, it is used to balance traffic to VMS containers and other resources to optimize application performance and redundancy. Number three, cloud CDN, content delivery network. What is it? Content delivery network is a global content delivery service that caches and deliver content from Google Earth location, reducing latency and improving load times for web use cases. It is used to accelerate the delivery of website videos and other content to user around the world, improving the user experience. Number four, Cloud Interconnect. What is it? Cloud Interconnect provides dedicated and highly available connection between your on-premises data center and Google Cloud. Use cases, it is used to establish reliable and low latency network connection for hybrid cloud setup and extended your own premises network to Google. Number five, Cloud VPN, virtual private network. What is it? Cloud VPN allows you to establish secure and encrypted connection on your VPCs on Google Cloud from on-premises data center and remote location. Use cases, it is used to create secure and private connection for remote access site-to-site connectivity or connecting these offices to Google Cloud resources. Number six, Cloud DNS domain name system. What is it? Cloud DNS is a scalable and highly available domain name system service. Number seven, network security and firewall rules. Number eight, virtual private cloud pairing. So these are the some of core network system available in Google Cloud. They provide the necessary infrastructure and tools to build secure and optimize your cloud-based application and service. The choice of service depends on a specific requirements and architecture. So thank you so much for watching my video.